All right, so let's go ahead and let's take a look at question number 4. It says Carmen and Natalie each created an expression using the model shown below. And then the question asked me, I could look at the model, the question actually asked, what would Natalie need to add to her model for it to be equivalent to Carmen's model? So here's Carmen's, right here. And it's asking what Natalie would add. So make sure that you read carefully. So I see that I have positives. My positives are represented by the white, and my negatives are represented by the black. Okay, in class, we learned that a positive and a negative make a zero pair. So I would circle my zero pairs. So when I actually solve Carmen's, I can see that this negative and positive cancel each other out, which makes sense. If you have $1 and you spend $1, you have no money left. Well, that's what these are saying. It's saying one positive and one negative cancel each other out. This positive and this negative are going to cancel each other out. So really, in reality, Carmen's expression is only equivalent to a positive 1. So when I look at Natalie's expression, I see she has 4 positives, but I want to get her expression equivalent to Carmen's. So I would look at my answer choices to see how am I going to get rid of basically these 3 positives so I can get Natalie's equivalent to Carmen's. Well, when I look at answer choice A, if I add a positive, that's going to give Natalie 5 positives. So I know A is not my answer choice. If I look at B and add 2 negatives, so let's add 2 negatives. Okay, if I add 2 negatives, I see I can create 2 zero pairs, and these 2 positives will be gone. But Natalie's still left with 2 positives, and Carmen's only left with 1. So I know B's not my answer. When I look at C, it says I should add 3 negatives. Well, I've already added 2. So if I add a third negative, this negative and positive are going to create a zero pair and cancel out. Therefore, now I have 1 positive left for Natalie. And I have 1 positive for Carmen. Now I can see that both girls' value is 1x with 1 positive. So therefore, the answer choice would be C. I would need to add 3 negatives to Natalie's expression to make her expression equivalent to Carmen's.